So for today's Tip Tuesday, we're going to talk about spot reduction, or specifically how to target fat. And so the trick is, a lot of times people are asking about a specific area that they want to do, right? They've been losing a lot of weight. There's just certain spots that you want to specifically target, like right underneath your arms, or your lower abs, or right in between your thighs, right, or your butt, or there's always some spot in your body that you really want to target and kind of tighten. And so it's not so much about spot reduction as it is about tightening that specific muscle group. And so the two biggest things that you need to make sure that you're incorporating in your workout routine, that's what I'm going to cover. So the first one is weight training, and it really is a must, especially if you're starting to see a lot of results, right? And now you're kind of at that point where you're plateauing. And so a lot of times when you're doing cardio, you could do cardio, right? And in the beginning, you see a lot of changes, but at a certain point, you're going to plateau. And so that's when you need the weight training, right? You need to start incorporating something new, something different, to challenge your body in new ways. And so a lot of times people might be intimidated to go to the gym, right? There's a lot of people, you want to look like you don't know how to do certain things. I was like that too when I first started going to the gym, right? I would only stick to the machines I knew how to use. Sometimes I would venture out and try a new one. I'd look at it. If I could figure it out, great. If it looked a little complicated, I'd walk away. And so one thing I want to share with all of you is just take your time, right? Start slowly. Go to the ones you know. What I would recommend is go between two machines, right? And do a rotation. You want to make sure that your the weight that you're pulling or pushing is at a reasonable amount, something that is not too easy, right? Nothing that's too hard. You want to be able to have a weight where you could do about 15 reps, and you want to be able to do those about 3 times for a total of 3 sets, okay? And you want to go between one machine and another, and then go back and forth 3 times, then find another 2 machines, right? Rotate between your upper body and lower body. Again, the biggest thing is you don't want anything too easy and you don't want anything too hard. Right in the middle, consistent challenges throughout, so you feel the burn. And you want to do that for about 40 minutes to 50 minutes, right? Then you want to end your workout with some HIIT workouts, right? Or compound movements. And the reason why you want to incorporate this is because it gets your blood going, right? Your heart rate's going up. It's that last kind of burn before you call it quits. And you can say, okay, I finished my workout. And the reason being is it's high in intensity, right? It involves more muscle groups and more muscle fibers, which is exactly what you want in your workout every time you work out. And you want to do HIIT workouts for about 20 minutes, right? So that'll give you your full hour of working out. And by doing this and ending your workout with HIIT workouts or compound movements, right? Movements that involve multiple muscle groups as opposed to just one, you're increasing the afterburn effect. And the afterburn effect is this kind of effect that we refer to as an effect that happens when you have such a high intensity workout that even after you're done working out, your body continues to burn calories and burn kind of that fuel. And that's what you want. You want to work out that even after you're done sweating, right? Even after you've left the gym, that burning is continuing. And that's what you want for the spot reduction, right? Or to get that last bit of results that you've been reaching for and going for. So yeah, so those are your 2 pointers, right? Weight training, super important. Don't be afraid of it. You just kind of try it, trust your body. And then HIIT training, right? Combine those 2, you'll start to see more results, and hopefully you'll get the kind of body, right, and mentality that you'd like. Again, I hope you guys like this video. If you do, make sure you press that like button. Feel free to share this with other people. And like I always end, if you guys have anything you want me to specifically cover or research, I'd be more than willing to. Just gotta let me know. All right? Have a fabulous Tuesday.